So in this video you're going to learn how to add WordPress website to Google Search Console tutorial, and this is the latest one. So in this video we'll be going over how you could install the Google Search Console to the WordPress website, and there are a lot of benefits as well. Google Search Console helps you analyze your traffic, it helps Google to index your website, and it helps with your site performance. Okay, so before I begin, guys, if you're new here, my name is Yavarkhan and I do a lot of WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews and tips on how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing and click the bell icon next to the button to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And also, if you stay till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing is, currently I'm using Bluehost. The reason is Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and if you want to rank your website #1 on Google, make sure use Bluehost. And I have a 70% discount, and the link is in the description. So let's get started. So first thing is you have to come to your WordPress dashboard, go on plugins, add new, and I would recommend this thing. So I would recommend installing Seo Yoast Seo, because this is one of the best SEO plugins. It will help you optimize your website for the target keyword, whatever you're optimizing for. And I've made a lot of tutorials for this plugin, so you can go and check it out. You have to just install it, activate it. And guys, I'm gonna go through the Google Search Console as well, like how it works and how it could help you analyze your website. But before that, let's just activate it. For once you're installed, just click on settings, click on webmaster tool. So as you could see, it's already installed, but I'm just going to show it to you again. I'll just delete this. You just have to click over here. To verify your website with Google, you need to have a Google or a Gmail account, so make sure you have a Gmail account. And guys, it's really easy. What you have to do is just click on HTML tag, copy the whole thing, and just paste it over here. Everything, okay? You don't have to delete nothing, and just save changes. This plugin will automatically just take that code, and voila. What you have to do is just click on verify. And then see, as you could see, that my website is verified. So guys, once it's verified, all you have to do is just type Google Search Console. Okay, just type Google Search Console. Once you're over here, just click on Start Now. And as you could see your website over here. So I'm just gonna give you an example. I just created my website, so there's not much to do, but then I'll tell you one important thing which you have to do, okay? So what you have to do is click on Sitemaps. As you could see, there is a sitemap. Okay, so when you install this plugin, what it does is it automatically installs the XML sitemap. And basically, what is XML sitemap? Is this sitemap helps Google spiders crawl your website, so Google knows that this is on your website. So this is really good for SEO, and it's also good for ranking your website. What you have to do is just click over here. Just copy this thing. Okay, so currently right now it's not showing because it's my demo site, but then if I just go back, as you could see, just copy sitemap._index.xml and just paste it over here, and then as you could see, it's a success. I'm just gonna explain you how the Google Search Console works. This is the overview, how many pages are there. If there's any issue, it will show over here. If you click on performance, as you could see, impressions, you could see how many people are searching for your website. It's just a new website, so there's not much of data. You can search any URL if there's any issues, or what links are linking to that page. And then you could see the crawl status, that if your website crawls. So see, my website is getting indexed, so it's a good thing. And that's all about it, guys. And that's it. And this is how you verify your website with the Google Search Console. And I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. And as promised, I'm going to give you a bonus. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I go in detail. I'll tell you how to optimize it, the best way to install, the best plugins to use for security, for SEO. The link is in the description, so go and just sign up and you'll get a free crash course on how to install WordPress. So go ahead and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.